I'm Michelle from LegalSuite, and in this webinar we are going to discuss the instant messages in LegalSuite. Okay, so I'm going to be using a matter that I've already created. So if you need some help on how to set up a matter, please do have a look at our various webinars on that. Okay, so we have two types of instant messages in LegalSuite. You will see the same little icon on the top row, and you will see the same little icon on the bottom row. Now, the top row is send an instant message to any employee in the firm. The bottom icon would be send a message to any employee in the firm on a specific matter. So basically, the top row of icons is general to the program. The bottom row of icons is specific to whichever matter you've highlighted. So let's start with our first example on the top row. So this would be an instant message that is general to the entire program, not specific to a matter. So let's say we wanted to invite everyone to a little get together in the boardroom. So we can tag our little parties. Okay, say select. Alternatively, we could just select a party, a single party, and we can say, please meet in the boardroom for snacks at lunchtime. Okay, so I can then register the message by putting a little tick in this box, and effectively what will happen there is once the employees who I have selected have read the message, LegalSuite will send me back a pop-up confirming that the various users have in fact read the messages. I can see who's logged in, and at the moment nobody's logged in except me, so as soon as my various colleagues log in, they will then have the pop-up message appear, and they will then hopefully respond. Let me just mark myself in there as well. And let's say send. Right, so as soon as I click on the OK button, it says the instant message has been sent, in this case to one tagged employee, and that will then pop up at that logged in employee's workstation as soon as they log into the program. Now, the bottom row of icons is specific to a matter. So, there we go. Message received from Michelle to Michelle. Please meet at the boardroom for snacks at lunchtime. And I can then respond to that message if I wish, and once again put a registered tag on it to see that the recipient has in fact read it. Now, our second bottom row of icons, this is specific to a matter. And if I click on this little instant message, you will see I have an extra field which sets out the matter reference and its description. I can then send something that is matter specific on this. So please see me with this file, and I can then send it to my colleague or whomever I need to send it to. So boom, off it goes. It will confirm that the instant message has been sent, and when my colleague logs in, she will then see the instant message. The instant messages are also stored in a log, so every instant message that is sent through the program is stored at Browse, Logs, Instant Messages. And here we can see all the various messages that have been sent, when they've been sent, and to whom they have been sent. So the instant messages are a really nice way of simply communicating with your colleagues, and the program will also make a file note each time you send an instant message via the program. And again, these can be printed out if necessary, so please do have a little look at printing out file notes.